UW Green Bay robotics, video game programming, and app development camps foster creativity and skill building along with academic rigor in a supportive and fun environment. Middle and high school students participate in hands-on science over the course of each 3-day camp. Students will learn from teachers who are experts in their field. All instructors bring a wealth of knowledge to the classroom along with years of experience working with young people. Along with ongoing instruction, students will learn to work in small teams to meet project goals. Teams will present their work to each other and parents on the last day of the camp. For more about robotics, video game programming, and app development camps, please see our website at www.uwgbsummercamps.com.